Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be taking you through some sketches I'll be doing on public transportation for reasons beyond my control. I found myself having to hop on the bus, which is fine. I mean, I grew up riding public transportation, so it's not a big deal. So I thought it'd be cool to show my process of drawing in the wild while on public transportation. So let's jump on over to my sketch pad on the bus and get started. So here comes my bus, and stay tuned and I'll set up on the bus when I get on. Okay, so here I am on the bus, and I chose to sit kind of in the back of the bus so I can kind of get a bird's eye view of what's going on and maybe capture the overall length of the bus and the passengers. There's only a few passengers on at this point, but I think I'll be able to try to capture at least a passenger in the seat. It'll be interesting because it's very, very, very noisy. The light's not very good, and it's a bumpy ride. So we'll see what happens. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I try to do my best. I'm on the bus, streets are bumping all over the place. There's a lot of straight lines, things on the bus I try to capture, but I'm rocking all over the place. So gave it a shot, turned out pretty good. Was able to capture one guy sitting in a seat, and not the worst sketch in the world, but it's not like being at the drawing table. No bouncing or moving parts, no bumps and loud noises and all that kind of thing. So I'll show you what I came up with. Okay, so here is what I came up with. As you can see, a lot of the vertical lines are real wobbly. You know, like I said, I'm sitting in the back. The bus is tossing me around, but for the most part, I was able to capture somebody sitting in the seat. And so for comparison, here is what I was looking at. Since then, the actual passenger I was drawing moved over a seat, so you can't really see where he was sitting unless you refer back to the earlier part of the video. But if you like my content and would like to see more content from me, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. It'll help my channel grow. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.